Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to enable email notifications on Instagram. Keeping up with your Instagram activity through email notifications can help you stay connected and engaged with your followers. Let's get started with the steps. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, tap on the three lines at the top right corner to access the Settings menu. From the Settings menu, tap on Notifications and scroll down until you find the Email Notifications option. Tap on it to access the email notification settings. Here, you can turn on the notifications that you want to receive through email. Make sure to enable the notifications that are important to you to stay updated on likes, comments, mentions, and more. Once you have selected the notifications you want, you are all set. By enabling email notifications on Instagram, you can stay connected with your followers and never miss out on any important updates. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.